To add an EBT card to Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then select Linked Banks. Tap Link Bank. Then select Add Card. Choose the type of card you want to add. In this case, a government-issued card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of your EBT card. The expiration date is the date on the front of the card. And the security code is the 3-digit number on the back of the card. After you enter the required information, tap Next. You will then be asked to verify your identity by providing your name, address, and date of birth. This information must match the information on file with your EBT card. Once you have entered the required information, tap Next. Cash App will then attempt to verify the card by making a small deposit to your EBT card. This deposit should appear on your EBT card statement within 1 to 2 business days. After the deposit has been made, return to the Cash App and enter the amount of the deposit to complete the verification process. Once your EBT card has been successfully linked to your Cash App account, you can use it to send and receive money, pay bills, and make purchases. It is essential to note that not all EBT cards are compatible with Cash App. So if you encounter any issues during the linking process, you may need to contact Cash App support or your EBT card issuer for assistance. To ensure the security of your EBT card, make sure to keep your Cash App account and EBT card information confidential. Never share your login credentials or EBT card details with anyone. And always monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely add your EBT card to Cash App and enjoy the benefits of using your EBT card for online transactions.